How to change address on driver's license. I am going to show you how you can easily change the address on your driver's license. Changing the address on your driver's license typically involves several steps, which can vary slightly depending on your location. First, visit your state department's motor vehicles website or contact them to understand the specific requirements and documents needed for an address change. Gather necessary documents such as proof of new address, your current driver's license, and proof of identity. Many states offer online address change services. Check your DMV's website to see if this option is available. Create an account or log into your existing account. Follow the prompts to change your address, and pay any applicable fees using a credit or debit card. If online services are not available, you will need to visit a local DMV office. Bring the required documents, fill out an address change form if required. Submit the form and documents to the DMV clerk and pay any applicable fees. After completing the process, the DMV will either issue a new license with the updated address or send a sticker to place on your current license. Processing times may vary. Some states offer same-day service, while others may mail your updated license within a few weeks. Don't forget to update your address with other relevant agencies, such as the U.S. Postal Service, Social Security Administration, and your insurance company. Some states require you to update your address within a certain period after moving. Check your state's regulations to avoid penalties. If you own a vehicle, you may also need to update the address on your vehicle registration.